In this video, we're diving into how to make full ad creatives using Creatify AI in just a few minutes. Even if you have zero editing experience, no camera, and absolutely no clue where to start with scripting. This tool basically does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on finding products that sell and get the content out the door fast. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, I'll help you skip the tech headaches and focus on what really matters. Building your business with tools that work with you and not against you. Now, if making video ads feels like a mountain that you don't want to climb, I think you're gonna like this. So let's jump in. Why Creatify is worth a look. So here's the thing. Making content, especially video ads, can be exhausting. Creatify AI is one of those rare tools that actually makes your life easier. You start with a product link or even just a few video clips, and it helps you build a short form ad from scratch. It handles the copy, the visuals, the voice, and even offers realistic AI avatars to put a face in the video if you want one. It's kind of like hiring a mini production team, only it's AI and it works in about 5 minutes. It's perfect for e-com sellers who want to advertise without being on camera, affiliate marketers who need a bunch of videos quickly, agencies or freelancers who want to deliver video content fast, or honestly just anyone who wants to run ads without doing all the grunt work. Now, it's not magic, but it gets surprisingly close. And the best part is that you can make multiple videos with just slight tweaks. Now, if you want to get started with Creatify.ai, we've got a link for you down in the description below. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and try Creatify for free. So all you need to do to get started is just click on Try Creatify for free, and then just plug in a product link, and we'll click on Analyze URL, and then it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign up with either an email address or your Google Gmail account. Okay, so after you go ahead and do that, it kind of brings you back here. So we'll go ahead and click on AI videos, and we'll go ahead and click create now. And we'll go ahead and just paste that link back in there. Step 1, pick a product that's already trending. Now, before you even open Creatify, just take a few minutes to pick a product that already has some traction online. The reason this matters is simple. If people are already buying it and talking about it, your ad has a much better chance of landing. You don't have to overthink this. Just scroll through your TikTok feed, type in some keywords, or browse Amazon's best sellers list. Step 2, start with a link or upload your own clips. Now, once you've found your product, Creatify gives you 2 solid ways to begin your ad. You can either paste a product link or upload your own video clips. If the product's listed on Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, Etsy, or eBay, just grab the URL and paste it in. Creatify will pull in everything that it can. Now, it's actually kind of wild how much it can grab from just one link. Now, if the product doesn't have great images or videos, or if you want to have more control over what footage gets used, you can upload clips manually. Just make sure that you're not uploading full videos from someone else. Creatify is for remixing, not stealing. Honestly, the best approach is to combine both. So use the product URL so Creatify has all the data, and then upload some clips that give the video more personality. The better you source material, the better the finished ad will be. Okay, so I went ahead and pasted in this Amazon link here. So I sit at my desk a lot and I can just feel my posture getting worse. Now, obviously I'm doing things like stretching and working out to like fix that, but I got this idea to look for some sort of posture fixer thing. So this is the app that, or the product that I will be using. So I went ahead and pasted that in, and it's gonna go ahead and just pull all the assets from here. So when you go ahead and put an Amazon link in here, what I've noticed is that it'll give you like all the data that it finds, and like all these videos here, these are review videos from like actual customers, which might be okay, but what I've noticed is Creatify AI doesn't auto-select those. What it does auto-select is these images here, which, as you can see, these are like the Amazon product pictures, which is great. And then there's these other pictures that it didn't select, which are from some users' reviews. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use what it has here. And under the product description, again, it pulled this from Amazon. So let's just go ahead and click next and let it do its thing. Step 3, choose the right format. So now you're inside the project and it's time to set a few preferences. First, pick your aspect ratio. For TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, go with 9:16. That's the tall vertical video format that fills up the whole phone screen. Creatify also lets you do 1:1 square format, which might work better for Facebook or Instagram feed ads. Now, next, pick your video length. You've got a couple choices here: 15, 30, and 60 seconds. So here we are on this page here, and we can go ahead and and choose a platform, and it'll go ahead and change the aspect ratio for us. So for example, if I click on YouTube, maybe it doesn't change it for us. Click on Instagram or TikTok. For this, we'll just say general. I guess it doesn't really matter. And we'll just do the 9:16. And I'll go ahead and do the 15-second for this. Now, the target audience here, I'm just gonna put something sort of specific here just to like see how well it does. So they have some other stuff here. We'll go ahead and maybe select a couple of those. There we go. And go ahead and click next. And it's gonna go ahead and do its thing here. Step 4, let Creatify do the writing. So now comes one of the coolest parts, the AI script generator. Now, once you hit next, Creatify writes your ad for you. And it doesn't just give you one option, it gives you a few different takes. You might get a short benefits focused version, a problem solution style ad, a more casual Gen Z style script, and even a story driven one. You don't have to accept the first script it gives you either. You can tweak the text, swap words out, or hit generate more until you find one you like. Now, here's what it went ahead and gave me for my, sort of shoulder posture thing here. So we've got special offers, brand story, product lifestyle, and problem solution. Then we can also select the tone for all of these. Let's come down, let's try out this problem solution. We'll go ahead and just use that. I like that in the motivational tone. And we'll go ahead and click next. Step 5, add a voice and or a face. Once your script is good to go, you get to decide how it's delivered. You can choose a voiceover, an avatar, or both. If you go the avatar route, Creatify has hundreds of AI generated humans that look kind of scarily realistic. You can pick someone who fits the vibe of your product. Polished and professional, casual and friendly, young and playful, whatever you're looking for. The voiceover options are solid too. You can choose male or female voices, different accents, and energy levels. If you don't want to use an avatar, you can just go with the voiceover and show the product instead. So here we go. We've got some different options here to choose from. So as you can see, there's a ton. I think here with this premium avatars, those are only available if you're on the pro plan. And right now, since I'm just, in the free plan, that is unavailable. But let's go ahead and just scroll through here for a second. And again, I put in my audience as millennials that work from home. So maybe this guy right here. Let's go ahead and click that and we'll go ahead and select next and let it do its thing. Step 6, edit the video to match your style. Now, this is the final step before exporting. And honestly, it's pretty fun. Creatify gives you a simple timeline editor where you can move clips around, trim them, mute the background music, add text overlays, and adjust your subtitles. You don't need to be a video pro to use it. It's all drag and drop. Okay, so our ads here are ready and we've got a couple different options to choose from. Now, we've got a little warning right here saying the accurate lip sync will be available after rendering. So it's not gonna be a perfect lip sync right now, but that's fine. We know it will be in the final product. Okay, so my internet is super slow right now. I'm gonna go ahead and click render that, and we'll go ahead and click render video, and we'll go ahead and let that do its thing, and then we'll come back once it's done. Step 7, export and upload. When your ad looks the way that you want it, hit render. It'll take a couple of minutes depending on the length and how many clips you used. Once it's done, you can download the final video to your device. From there, upload it manually to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, wherever your audience hangs out. Add your caption, drop in a few hashtags, and choose a trending sound if you're posting on TikTok. But here's the next level part. Don't just stop at one version. Make multiple. Use the same clips, but swap out the script. Change the voice. Try a different call to action. Creatify makes it easy to duplicate a project and adjust just one thing at a time, which is perfect for A/B testing. If you can test 5 or 6 variations of the same product ad, you'll quickly figure out which one pulls the best results. So yeah, Creatify AI kind of lives up to the hype. It's not a full replacement for creativity or storytelling, but it gets you about 80% of the way there with a fraction of the work. You still need to pick the right product and make smart choices. But the actual video making part, Creatify's got your back. If you've been dragging your feet on creating video ads because it felt too hard, too expensive, or too overwhelming, then this tool removes a lot of those excuses. Now, if you want to get started with Creatify.ai or any other AI tools or platforms that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us to keep creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you use them, we thank you so much. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.